Something these kids do now every morning.
Pin.
Had a pin on it.
Yeah.
See, back when I was going to school, I had this thing they called a flip phone. And you flip it up, and it had the buttons and stuff, and it had the orange letters in it. You would have loved that phone.
I love that phone.
You would have loved my flip phone. It had a black background with the orange letters.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them had green letters too. Depends on what kind of phone you got. You flip it out. You would have loved it.
Look at that. I know who has one of those.
Who got a flip phone, you know?
My aunt.
Your aunt got a flip phone? Okay. Do you ever use your aunt's flip phone? Like you use that phone right there?
Nope. Not at all.
Not at all. So, in your research of the flip phone compared to the Android phone, what phone do kids like the most?
Android.
And that's your last and final answer?
No. Yeah. I mean, Android.
They don't want the flip. So for Christmas, don't give your kids a flip phone.
Give them an Android.
But you know, the flip phone, they can use it for you can make phone calls on it, and they can use it for a paper clip.
But an Android phone, you can play games and call people, but only on the flip phone you go to call. And then your Android, if you hook up your Android phone to your car, you could drive your car with the Android.
With the map and stuff on there.
Yep.
So you don't think no flip phone got Google Maps on it?
Nope.
Well, this is gonna be the NI case study.
Bye, y'all.
And what is your name?
Billy Bang!